Hey people, how's it going? This is Broken Puppet, and it's just a really quick video to show you guys how to do some real simple old school flowers that are great little additions to any kind of tattoo you want to do. So here we go. This one's going to create little circles on the inside, and just off the circle I'm going to create 8 little loops just going around equally. You know, that's a nice little flower on its own, but you can always add little additions to that. So you can go from the centre of these ones, just curve outwards, come to a point, go up from these ones, come to a point. And a real simple little flower there. You know, it's a perfect little addition. You can shrink this down to any kind of size you want. If you come back, another way you can do that. You can do little black circles on the inside of that one. You can do this one a bit kind of like an old school poppy. So you can bring this line out, curve it, a little dip inwards. You get a little point like that. You can always add just a few little leaf on the outside. So just create a curve coming outwards. Okay, coming backwards. You don't add too many to these, so just add like one there. Maybe one on the other side. It's a real simple way of doing things. Another way of doing these ones, once you got this, create little circles just around the inside base. And once you've got that done, go up, create a little dip, curve down, come inwards, and then just over the top of that create a loop, like so. And you get this nice outscourge effect. Little lines in the centre of each one of those. And boom, you've got another little kind of sort of flower design there. Another way of doing it, bring this up, create a wavy line, so about 3 kind of curves. Come inwards. Little dots on the inside. Another really simple way, so you can see just these little simple additions, these little kind of patterns can just change the whole design very dramatically. You could add a little curve on the inside, just give another sort of dynamic to it. Again, you could add like 1 dot there, 2 dot there, so you kind of got this like radius of circles, radius of dots. And from the inside part here, have that connecting like that. Another way you can do this, creating this centre bit, but instead of doing a circle, create this nice little kind of bumpy edge. Little dots on the inside, so you get this really nice kind of interesting looking base at the inside part. And then come from the side part here. Create a little loop coming out, and you've got the base from there, and then from here you can just keep adding to them. You can keep adding this exact same pattern if you want. And the more you add it, the nicer it gets. It just builds up really, really nicely. And you can just repeat this over and over to get any kind of size you want to fill in any kind of gap. You know, again, you can add a little more details. You can add little dots on the insides if you want. You could add little lines coming up with a dot on those. You know, so those little additions that really kind of add to it. Another one you kind of got, bring this up, go this to a point, little curves on the inside, little V shapes just there, so you've got another sort of flower there. You can see just real simple ways, and you can multiply this as many times as you want. This has got a sort of 4 bases. You can do this from 5, you can do it on 6. You know, just try and think of sort of patterns, you know, different kind of ways of doing things. Curve up, down, come down, you've got a nice little base there. You could add, say, a little dot on the inside part there. You could curve up from here to a point. Go up there to a point, and you can kind of mimic that sort of shape if you want, kind of around there. Give another interesting looking flower. You know, just try to think of patterns, how you kind of repeat them, how you can kind of modify them. Think about the number you want. If you want, you know, sort of 4 in here, if you want 3, if you want 5, 6, 7, 8, you know, divide up equally and go for that. But yeah, that's just a quick little video. I just got to show you how you can do some really cool old school flowers. So I hope that's helped. Check my videos on the Broken Puppet, and I'll see you next time. Peace.